MathShapes is a program that was developed primarily to help parents help their children with math. Math has been a hot button for a number of years, and parents don't always seem comfortable with doing it, helping their children. And so this was developed for that purpose, and it's developed according to the Common Core standards. Every problem was originally constructed with the standards in mind. It uses manipulatives. It involves a lot of reading and a lot of writing, because if the child is good in one area, may not be good in the other area, and we want them to be willing and able to express themselves in solving the problems and being able to communicate with another person, another student, an instructor, a parent. It's fun, it's mathematically sound, it's according to the standards, as I said, and it's easy to implement. It can be done one-on-one, parent-child. It can be done in school as a problem of the day, as centers, as folders, as take-home projects. It can be done as an after-school program, because the resource package that comes with it really outlines a good manual for either a paraprofessional, a parent, or a teacher to implement. So I would see it as a one-on-one, as a small group or a center in the classroom, as an after-school, and as a summer school program. So what it does is give the parents conversation starters that they can talk about math with their children, not necessarily the computation that might come home on a worksheet. So as the child progresses, there is always something the parent can do without a lot of stress. It's not something that they have to invent. It's not math that they actually have to accomplish themselves. But there are so many activities that they can do like that kind of takes the stress off of it, but makes math part of their everyday life. So it gives the parents the whole process so that they're not guessing or trying to figure out, how do I do this? It's all written there for them. I've seen it used as a problem of the day. I've seen it used in take-home folders. I've seen it used as a center or in small groups, and in some cases small group instruction, which is very good. It also becomes an every other Friday. We're going to come out of the textbook, and we're going to use MathShapes today, because it gives them the reading and the writing experience that they might not get in a traditional Basel textbook. We always expect an answer in complete sentences. First of all, it internalizes the thought. It makes them express. So now they're thinking, they're explaining, and now they're writing it down as a number sentence. So think, explain, write mathematically. The one constant manipulative that goes from kindergarten really up through fifth grade is the use of dominoes. And in the early stages in first grade, we might show a domino and say, like, how many dots are on the left-hand side? How many dots are on the right-hand side? How many more dots are on the right-hand side? Can you write a number sentence to show that? Everything comes back to the number sentence. Second grade, take two dominoes, add them together. Add them together on paper, add them together using the hundreds chart, add them together using base 10 blocks. Third grade, take two dominoes, multiply. Multiplication is the biggest skill in third grade. So we're always constantly using the domino to show this. In fourth grade, turn it up this way, make it a fraction, make it 1/4. Can you give me an equivalent fraction? Well, now we're multiplying by powers of 1. 3/3 times 1/4, what do I get? I get 3/12. So give me 5 equivalent fractions equal to this 1/4. All right, fifth grade, turn it sideways again, make it a decimal. Now it's 4.1. or 3.1 or 3.2, whatever domino you take. Add them, subtract them, multiply, divide. Because now we're into fifth grade, all that computation should start coming together. But the one constant they see from kindergarten up through fifth grade is the use of the domino. So we want the whole ball of wax. We want them to know their math, we want them to be able to talk about it, and we want them to be able to write about it.